In this video, we want to solve this question. It says a 4 kg ball moving at 8 meters per second collides with a stationary ball of mass 12 kg and they stick together. Calculate the final velocity and the kinetic energy lost in the impact. Now let's bring out the parameters. Now the first mass is 4 kg. It is moving with first initial velocity with this. Second mass is this, and since it is stationary, the velocity is 0. Now when they stick together, when two bodies stick together after collision, we call that inelastic collision. But when they separate, when they don't stick together after collision, we call it elastic collision. So for this, they stick together and they moved with common velocity, which will give us m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 plus m2. Since they moved with common velocity, they stick together, equal to this. So if we make v subject of the formula, we'll have m1 u1 plus m2 u2 all over m1 plus m2. So if we plug in the value m1 u1 plus m2 u2 over m1 plus m2, so if we multiply on top everything after resolving, we're going to get 32 over 16, which will give us 2 meters per second. That's V. So we go for kinetic energy. The formula for kinetic energy is half mv squared. That's the formula. We can rewrite this with this pattern, and if we rewrite it, we'll have, so rewriting it, we'll have half m1 u1 squared plus half m2 u2 squared equal to half m1 plus m2 then v squared. We can now plug in the values. So plugging in the values, we have half 4 8 squared plus all of this will be 0 equal to half this v square plus the kinetic energy that will be lost in the impact. All of this is already 0, and if we resolve all of this, we'll have 128 equal to all of this. If we resolve it, we'll have 32 plus kinetic energy. If we make kinetic energy subject of the formula, we will have 128 minus 32, and what we have is actually 96 joules.